Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that GoldFinger token. Now before we start the video, this is my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, GoldFinger GF is the native governance token of GoldFinger, a RWA real world assets project dedicated to linking previous metals access like gold, copper, silver, and etc. with the Web3 ecosystem. The project adopts a dual token models where GF acts as the core governance medium for the ecosystem, while ART Eurum Reserve Token serves as the assets backed token pegged to the gold's assets. It provides users with a transparent, low threshold way to participate in previous metal investment and Web3 ecosystem governance. GoldFinger token total supply is 17.52 billion and circulating supply is also 17.52 billion GF token. GF token is listed on KuCoin, MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.